Most people are searching for business ideas that actually make money in today's world, but the real opportunity is finding ideas that solve modern problems. In this video, we are sharing 10 unique business ideas to start with low investment. Number 1. Online business acquisition consulting service. Help people buy profitable online businesses like websites, e-commerce stores, or YouTube channels. Guide them in finding good deals, checking risks, and growing the business after purchase. Number 2. Business process automation consulting service. Help companies save time by automating repetitive tasks using software and AI tools. Businesses can reduce manual work, improve productivity, and focus more on growth. Number 3. Personalized business dashboard creation service. Create custom dashboards that show sales, expenses, profits, and customer data in one place. Business owners can easily track performance and make faster decisions. Number 4. Private community building service for brands. Help brands create private online communities where customers can connect and stay loyal. Strong communities increase trust, engagement, and long-term sales. Number 5. Business crisis management consulting service. Help businesses handle emergencies like bad reviews, financial problems, or public mistakes. Your job is to create recovery plans and protect the company's reputation. Number 6. Smart waste management consultancy. Work with businesses and cities to reduce waste and improve recycling systems. Companies want smarter ways to save money while becoming environmentally friendly. Number 7. Smart home installation for elderly people. Install smart devices like voice assistants, emergency alerts, and automated lighting for older adults. These systems improve safety, comfort, and independence at home. Number 8. Smart inventory tracking for small retailers. Help small stores track products using smart inventory software and barcode systems. This reduces product shortages, overstock problems, and lost profits. Number 9. Virtual networking event hosting company. Organize online networking events where professionals and businesses can connect from anywhere. Companies love virtual events because they save travel costs and reach more people. Number 10. Mobile car detailing membership business. Offer car cleaning and detailing services directly at customers' homes or offices. Monthly membership plans create recurring income and loyal customers. If you enjoyed these business ideas and want more smart business content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.